and stare. Pull up like a chair. Know you see me over here. With the maniac.
What's up, gang? Your girl Ray is here to do a watercolor tutorial on how to do your full lace blonde wig to a neon color, which is a slime green. You know, summer coming, so you gotta be popping. So here's the wig I'm gonna be using for this tutorial. You'll also need some freeze spray for your lace.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I could tell by your eyes that you focus.
So what I'm about to get started on is my lace. So what I'm gonna do is spray it with my freeze spray. It doesn't have to be that particular freeze spray, it could be any, but I prefer that one. It helps the color not to get on my lace, or it will be looking all bad, because I don't like my stuff to look like a wig. That's not the look I go for. I go for a more natural look. So if you want your hair to look natural, I suggest you not getting color on your lace.
Never had no like girls, it got me crazy, babe. It got me crazy, babe.
Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just boil some water. Leave it on for like a good 5 minutes to whenever your water is boiling. And I will pour it in a bucket you can get from Walmart. So once I'm done with the water, I go ahead and go back over my lace and go ahead and spray it again, just to be on the safe side with the color. So once I dip it, I know for a fact no color will get on my lace.
I didn't want it. I could tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah. Come and hop on this pony.
And right in front of me, I have 4 different colors. So honestly, you don't really have to use 4. I use 4 to make it more vibrant, because I like a more vibrant look to my hair. But usually you can use like 2.5 to 3. And to be honest with you, I used only like 3.5. I didn't even use all 4 because of how green it got. It was actually pretty fast and easy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start pouring it into my bucket. So honestly, if you would like to have your whole bucket to the color of your dye, then that's fine. That's when you can actually start dipping it. So
in the way you calling my name, baby, I can tell that you want it.
Please don't judge me all about what I'm about to use to stir. We'll mix my color, okay? Cause look, honey, I'm black, I know, and I'm proud, cause I ain't have nothing else to use. So please don't judge me, baby, please.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it.
I'm just showing y'all my little color. And when I mixed it, it's like, I don't know, it just started getting so pretty. I was a little nervous though, because I didn't know if it was going to be the color I wanted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and dip it like with one strand of hair to make sure it's going to be the nice color I want it to be. Because if it ain't, I am going to be so upset, y'all. I'm not playing. Okay, look. And it actually did start turning green, so I was satisfied. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour another bottle so it can be a little more vibrant, because it was a little too, I don't know, I just want it to be like a little vibrant. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour some more in there. And I'm only on my 3rd bottle right now, y'all. That is the color I'm trying to achieve. So after that strand showed me that I'm ready to put the wig in, I'm gonna go ahead and just dip it.
I should have listened to my intuition. I put myself in this position. It's all my fault. Look in the mirror, think, what am I missing? See and think different. Oh, am I lost? Feeling away, nothing's the same. I wish it would change. No, I'm lost. Now I'm in the pain. Don't make it okay. Nothing to say, but you brought all the issues. And mine was staying with you. Don't hold it against me. Against me. Hold it against me, against me, hold it against me. Yeah, feel like I'm drifting. No, he noticed the distance and love.
So I'm just letting it sit so all the color could catch on to the wig. You can let it sit for like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. So this is how it is after a good 10 minutes. It actually colors really fast, especially because it's already a bright wig. So.
Love ain't enough, but it's holding me up. Love ain't enough, girl. You brought all the issues.
And this is the final look. The look that I was going for, actually. It's so pretty, like super pretty. Yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. Ooh, child, I'm excited. It's so pretty. You gonna have little bits of line. That's normal when you get in a bright color. That's nothing to worry about. And you'll be perfectly fine because it is still cute. Period.
To my women, with the utmost respect, intellect, we often forget and neglect. Intuition can see through elusive intent. Listen to it.
And this is after I let it sit with some conditioner. You can use any conditioner, but boom. What I tell y'all, it's so simple, so easy, and I got the color I wanted. Period. If y'all look, let me just tell y'all this. If y'all need any more tutorials, anything y'all like me to post, to talk about, anything with color, let me know. Just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. So your girl did that. Period. Okay.
Intertwined, but it's the isolation of two minds. That's why he keeps his heart and his head separate. There's only one he can connect with, but multiple names on the checklist only calls when he's.
Oh, why you acting scared? Pull up